back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
To Mr. Joe Caples. Chris Seegers in the 7. And last but not least, it should be Jace Thurman in the 12. So Clint Cash, Chris Nickerson. Open wheel, mods, green. Green, green, green. Cash will get the lead down into 1. Chris Nickerson banged the boards on the back straightaway. He'll bring the 7 with him down the back straightaway. Still Cash on the inside. Nickerson got a handful of that 73 off forward that Elite Chassis. Elite Chassis getting it done down into 1. We got 1 in the books, 9 to go. Contact between the 18 Cables and the 7. Still Cash second. Boom. 7 making contact. Seegers on the front straightaway. Chris Seegers in the 7 machine. Still Chris Nickerson leading the way. And that Elite Chassis number 73 down into 1. Front wheel drives your feature will be next. Toting the left front tires, Chris Nickerson. Cash trying to find some real estate, trying to pick him up and put him down and catch that 73. That silver bullet of Chris Nickerson's rocking and rolling. Right in the middle of the speedway. Everybody else will bang the boards off turn 3 and 4. Halfway in, halfway to go. Halfway in, halfway to go. That time by cross flags from Mr. Whalen down there. White flag being displayed for Chris Nickerson. Chris Nickerson, the star of the show so far in the 73 machine. If he keeps it together for another half a lap, half a back straightaway coming off turn 4. Your Wesley English open wheel modifier going to go to Chris Nickerson. Second going to go to Mr. Cash. And third going to go to Mr. Seegers. That's your top 3. They'll go across the scales. Whoa! Seegers went in hot and heavy down in 1. Ooh. Yes, he won't talk to him. He's going to share a hot dog right there at the top of 1.
Oh, Chris is happy about this win here. Y'all give it up for Chris Nickerson there. One of the nicest guys in racing you'll ever see around here. It's good to see him get him a win here. And congratulations. And, you know, I ain't seen you much this year as I usually do, but you're always there somewhere close.
Yeah, it's been a little up and down race this year. Clint's been coming on pretty strong here, and I finally got him back, I guess.
Well, I knowed you would sooner or later there. Hey, look at him. He's over there smiling about it there. He's thinking about what he's going to do next time.
Yeah. He better bring his A game.
Yeah.
I like the truck parts warehouse here in Gainesville, man. They help me out a ton. If you guys need any truck parts or anything like that, I mean, that's the place to go. 007 Trucking and Elite Truck Repair. and CPD shocks.
That's about it. Y'all give it up again for Chris Dickerson.
Sharp Mini Late Models, Crown Vics, you're next. Sharp Mini Late Models, be in your car and ready to go. Crown Vics, be ready to go. Sharp Mini Late Models, you're in the hole, you should be ready to go.